hay mucho agua acá porque hay mucho nieve acá cayendo de las nubes y hay muchos nieve a las montañas.
You can talk English, it's fine. Can you tell me why the tree fell?
Because of the snow, because there was a lot of snow and heavy snow, and then it fell.
Oh, alright. Makes sense.
And then the snow came off and then went into the water. That's why there's no snow here. All this water you see is because the snow melts.
Wow, that's very interesting. Oh yeah. Wow.
Like the trees above, it has snow, and then the snow falls and then goes into the water.
Alright.
And the only way you can make snow is to put water and put it in the freezer for 1 minute.
Okay.
And then bada bing, bada boom. You're no longer in a shroom. Next, I want to show you a view from the compound next to our house. I want to show you the other side of the compound. Today it's cloudy, a little cold, and it's gonna rain. Opa, and then let's go to the woods over. Let's go to a walk.